Hello everyone. This machine is used for melting and constant temperature preservation of Agar copy material. This machine is a fully automatic control, simple operation, melting speed, and other advantages. This machine, the rated power is 1300, heating power is 1200, the capacity is 11 liters. This machine has many advantages, such as touch screen, simple and convenient program setting, intelligent control throughout the whole process, without manual intervention, fast melting speed, small temperature difference, as you know. Now let's introduce the operation steps. First one, cut the agar into the small pieces no longer than 2 centimeters and pour them into the pot. If the agar pieces are too large, it will easily lead to incompleted melting. So remember, when you put the agar into the pot, the agar must be no larger than 2 centimeters. Then contact the power supply without the random power cut. Turn on the power switch, and the control screen will light up. Please look at this. Then, if you look at this, put start. Please let's change English. Put start in the interface to start the machine. The whole process without manual intervention. When the agar melt, to use the temperature of the sun prompt at the time the temperature is constant. If in the process of agar melting, you can press stop. If you press the stop, then it closes the agitation, which is convenient for temperature addition. Set the time before the work will cut agar into the pot. Open the power switch. Don't press the start. Remember. Now set the time to run automatically. Remember to turn off the power switch when you don't need to start automatically the next day. There's a situation when there is a sudden power off in the cooling process. You can press the continue. Continue. At the time, the program will continue to run at the break point. There is no need to start again and waste time. So this is the operation steps. Work process of the machine. Start heating. Start stirring. Reach the set temperature. Start cooling of the fan. Reach constant temperature. Prompt sound. Constant temperature. Is that when the agar in the pot is when no agar in the pot, press the stop button. This. And turn off the power switch. This display screen will automatically stop when there is no operation for 10 minutes. The program will not stop running. Press the scan code. Let's introduce the operation interface description. Please look at this display. All values can be set. and enter the values to be set into the pump box. Press Enter to complete the setting. Look at this. Enter. Please press Enter to complete the setting. Look at this. First, Stirling temperature. This value is the temperature at which stirring starts automatically. When the temperature in the pot is lower than this temperature, stirring doesn't start automatically. After heating, the factory setting is 20 degrees. Look at this. Second, heating temperature. This value refers to the upper heating temperature in the pot. When it reaches this temperature, the machine stops heating and turns to cooling process. When it reaches the temperature, the agar in the pot can be adjusted appropriately when it still kicks, and the factory setting is 90 degrees. Look at this. Constant temperature. This value is the working temperature. After the program runs, the agar in the pot will be kept at the constant temperature, which can be adjusted up and down according to the actual situation. The factory setting is 50 degrees. Look at this. The stirring on time and the stirring off time. The stirring program can recognize intermittent stirring, effectively protect the motor, prolong the service life. The stirring on time is the motor rotation time. The stirring off time is the motor stop time. The value can be adjusted up and down according to the actual use. The factory setting is 4 minutes and 1 minute. Please look at this. Then there is a prompt turn time. The value is the during of the turn, which can be set based on the actual situation. Everyone, let's look at this display scan. Please look at this. Time setting. Time for regular open time can be set according to the actual use situation. After open the power supply, don't press the start button. Then each to this time machine automatically starts to run. But in the day before coming off work will be agar PC into the pot, not shut off the power. The following day arrived at set time to run the program automatically. Pay attention. Turn off the power if you don't use it the next day. This machine has automatic start foundation. If the power switch isn't turned off after use, it will cause the machine dry burning.